So this one is the service provider app of Untapped. Oh, there is some issue. I will check it. There is active tab where user will have his all active jobs, and this is the job offered section, and third one is the job completed. Whenever user requests job to the service provider, that will be listed in job offered segment, and user can post two kind of jobs. Let me show that. Uh, Send offer. User can either send automated job or OTP job. If a user requests for OTP job, then it will need go request to the provider, and when provider will accept the job, he has to enter the OTP. Then he will request OTP to the service seeker. Service seeker will be notified via push notification. Then service seeker will provide OTP to the provider, and after giving the correct OTP, provider can start the job. And in the case of automated job, uh, user will request job through the service provider, and service provider can directly accept the job and start the job without giving any kind of OTP. So this is the date, and this is the slots which are set by the service provider on the base of any day or date. So user will select any of the day. For example, 15 November, I am selecting this time slot. After selecting in the slot, you will select the OTP or other automated job, and he will send the offer, and the offer will be sent to the service provider. In my jobs, it will be now listed in job offered, and it is waiting for accept to the provider named as AMD. So that job is listed in this section, job offered. It will show the profile picture of service seeker and phone number and name of seeker and the job description, due date, time, etc. So he service provider can either accept or reject the job. Let's suppose I am going to accept this job. So now it is vanished from job offered. So after accepting job, user and the service provider can start work now. Now service provider has started work and notification is sent to the user. So now it comes about start shift segment. Whenever service provider clicks on start shift, it will start the service of his location. Now the service provider is tracked, his location is being saved, and it will be uploaded to database. So in this current algorithm, the location of the user is updated after every 30 seconds. We can either change into after every second, after a minute, after 30 minutes, whatever we want to preset in this tab. So for now it is set to 30 seconds. So this is the location history. I mean, it's a work history whenever the service provider starts shift or ends his shift. Now let's suppose I am going to stop the shift, and let's suppose on the second day or another shift I also again go for the starting the shift. It will again start the service of location in the background. So it will create a second item over here. So also on clicking on this item, it will take us to the current position of the service provider, and it will also draw route. So currently there is no route or path is being drawn because this shift was very too short time. I am not going to stop shift and complete job for this time. Let's check the other feature of the app. So this is the my profile. This is the profile screen of the service provider. His basic profile informations over here, and this is the job history. One of the major issue over here, what's the difference between this active offered and completed screen and this job history screen? So there is a screen of job request. These are the requests which are posted by the service seeker. So let's suppose you can't accept because you have ongoing job. Okay, our previous job is running, so service provider cannot accept other job if he is having currently any ongoing job. So this job is ongoing, that's why now the paths are being drawn. So let's suppose I'm going to stop my shift, and let's suppose I have completed my job. I will mark it as completed, so it will be removed from active job and it will be added in job completed screen. Sorry. So now we can accept this job which is posted by service seeker. So this job will be removed from the job request and it will be added in job history. So this one job is our in currently active state. He can see the job information, can chat and also mark the job as, let's suppose he has completed the job, we'll click over here and we'll mark the job as completed. This is the screen which will list all reviews given by the service seeker to the service providers. So the first review we show over here because user selected as to give an anonymous review. That's why we are not showing user name and user profile information over here. This is the settings screen. The service provider can simply set his notifications turn on or off, and this is the screen where he adds his available times. Let's suppose Sunday he clicks to add a new time. Let's suppose he want to work between 12 a.m. to 2:30 a.m. and click on done. So this will be added in this screen. Moreover, edit function is still pending. Uh, it will be updated in the revision. Same in the case of term and condition privacy, please contact us and about as in the service seeker app. And here is logout button. This is the admin app of Untapped.